Hey guys, this is day 30 of 2015. We're looking at the Euro US dollar chart. You can see that there's a inside bar forming there, and we'll be keeping our eye on the Euro US dollar for any breakouts. The USD Swiss, so we did anticipate that this was going to rally up last night. I think I was talking to Dinesh when it was kind of, where was it? I think it kind of came down to this level here, and we didn't end up buying it. So I think it just kind of came down a little here, and it might have been this one here actually. It did kind of rally a bit down, but we didn't end up buying it. But we probably should have. We did look for a retracement back, so we were hoping for this particular candle here to pull back a little bit, go under this pin bar here, and then rally back up. But yeah, alas, we kind of forgot about that. Great British Pound US dollar, so we did end up selling this. So if we look at the 4 hourly, this is actually where the logic comes in. So we traded off this pin bar here, and we saw that there was a double top in a way. So this one went down, pulled back up, and then hit that resistance line. So we knew it was going to start rallying down, and yeah, it just continued down from yesterday. US dollar yen. So we was just watching the inside bars. There's quite a few days of consolidated inside bars now. So it looks like there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days. So it looks like it's just kind of hit this really minute ranging section. It doesn't seem like it's doing too much. We're kind of just watching it at the moment, but yeah, there's no major price action for us on a daily level anyway. Australian New Zealand dollar, haven't really watched this too crazily, but it does look like it's bouncing back up. We'll see what happens around this resistance line here, whether it will break through or whether it will continue to resist against, and we'll be just watching for any movements if there's any sort of changes in the price action. US dollar Canadian, so this continues to rally up. I did set a historical resistance line there, and it seems to have broken past that, but we don't know whether it will continue rallying up or whether it's just kind of fakied out. New Zealand US dollar, so this one continues to drop. I think even at a 4 hourly level, it's just downhill from there. Probably should have traded it, did have an opportunity, but I was a bit late to the game. Australian US dollar, I'm not really sure about this one. On a daily level, it does look good. It looks like it's continuing down. Actually, I lied. I did sell this, if you can see here, but I did it on my phone, and I couldn't actually see where the stops were, so I kind of just pulled a number out of the air, and thought that would be pretty good. Ended up with $12.50. Probably could have ended up with a little bit more, considering my where was it? I think my take profit price was only 77,955, and it's currently sitting at 77,681. So there was still a little bit to go. But yeah, next time don't do this on your phone. Euro Great British Pound. Not sure why it's on weekly. This one looks like it's kind of hit a new sort of resistance line there, a support line rather. So I guess we can take a longer term view, but I'm running out of time. So Euro JPY, so this looks like it's bouncing back. So we'll be looking for some price action to kind of validate which way we want to go. Great British Pound Australian, this continues to rally up. Again, there's that pin bar there, but haven't quite figured out a good way to go in, because it looks like it's just broken past that support line previously, resistance line, sorry. Last one, New Zealand dollar yen. This is a new currency we're watching. Looks like there's momentum for it to push further down. We'll be watching this to see if there's any clear signs, but it might be a sell in this case. Alright, thanks. Bye.